Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can install Git in our laptop or desktop under 2 minutes. Open your browser, on the search bar type git, git, then you will be see the website gitsem.com. Open that. So this is the interface. When you see this website, you can see a monitor on the right side. This is the monitor. Click on download button. Then select your type. I will go with standalone installer. Mine is 64-bit, so you go to 64. Click on that. It will start the download. After execute file is downloaded, click on the open file. It will open the installer. Click on next. Swipe to the bottom and click on next. Click on next for everything. Next. If you need, you can read them, but that will not make impact. So go with next. Install. After the installation is completed, Git will be added to your laptop or computer. So that's it. This is how you can install Git on computer. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.